enjoy ang crowd sa performances namin ni Sir Martin. Kaya doble-dobleng happiness pa dahil sa surprise na binigay sa akin ng mga supporters ko. I really appreciate it. And I hope and pray na talagang uuwing completely happy at contented ang lahat ng taong nanood ng concert. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa pagtangkilik ng What Love Is concert in Iloilo. And thank you also to those who bought our CDs and DVDs. Gosh, I'm so happy.
Namin talaga, sumasayaw-sayaw. Alam mo yun, parang, tapos, kalahati pa lang ng kanta ni Martin, talagang tumayo na sila. I think 3 mayors talaga yung tumayo kanina.
Hindi namin nagawa lahat ng songs. Kasi yung mga guests dun sa Araneta, hindi naman namin nakasama dun sa Iloilo. At, ayun, mga konting adjustments lang. Sana nag-enjoy talaga yung mga tao na appreciate nila yung aming tandem ni Sir Martin. Ayun niya, nakaka-challenge din. Siyempre, Culture King na kasama mo sa isang show. Sobra akong happy naman nung gabi mo dahil everything went well, successful ko sa successful show. At I believe ang mga tao naman appreciated the show. They had fun. Sana.
Sobrang saya ng crowd. Parang nakiparty sila yung mga paakyat na ng stage, pinipigilan na ng mga bouncer.
It's overwhelming. It's amazing. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Martin. You gave a blast to Iloilo this evening.
Sarah is a great performer, energy as well, voice. Talagang nakikita namin yung improvement sa kanyang performance.
Well, kanina, it's full of love. Yung love for Martin Ibarra, love for the city, love for Sarah. Wala lang, good vibes. Everything is good vibes kanina. Everybody was happy. Alam mo yan, when they got out from the gym, everybody was smiling. So meaning, everybody was so happy. Everybody was so excited. Wala lang, parang we didn't expect na ganun yung crowd, ganun karami yung crowd kanina. We really didn't expect. I, for one, kasi I was the one monitoring all the ticket sales for the past few weeks. Talagang wala lang eh. But it's typical Ilonggo kasi na last-minute buyers, ganon.
I'm happy. I'm very happy with the suppliers, with the promoters, with the crowd, and the artists. Basta masaya yung artist, that means everybody's happy.
Diba, ang saya-saya, sobrang enjoy yung mga tao. Ang daming nagmamahal kay Sarah, tsaka kay Martin sa Iloilo.
Ang daming tao. Actually, marami pang tao sa labas hindi nakapasok. Wala nang space. Music ka na dun sa taas. Wala na talaga. And daming nagre-reklamo sa labas na hindi na nakapasok. That's why medyo nag-ano lang na yung binuksan ng konting sa marshals kanina. But everything's okay. I mean, from crowd control to security to the crowd. Basta, iba lang. Songs before mag-end yung natin, yung show, yung concert natin. Wala na, tayuan na lahat. So, ayun na lang sa likod. Hindi na nila makita. Half of the gym, kumatayo na. Even sa gallery, wala, nakatayo na lahat. Yan, it's a standing ovation. Even better than Araneta, standing ovation crowd.
Magaling sila dalawa. Parang expert sila sa kanilang field or masasabi natin, way of music.
Siyempre, natatawa. Masaya. We love you, Sarah!
Thank you. Alam mo, kahit na sabihin feeling na nararamdaman mo habang nag-autograph signing ka, na yung sunod-sunod yung mga nagpapa-autograph sa'yo, diba? Kasi noon talagang, alam mo yun, nagpunta sa kami, talagang very emotional kami, na yung pensionado kami kung meron bang libre na album namin, ganyan. Pero nung-show ako noon, sobrang ako pensionado. Pero talagang katabalan po ng puso na ito, pag ilang taon ko na po sa business, pang ilang taon na nga ba? Wow, 8 years na pala yun. Pero still, nandun pa rin, nakikita ko pa rin yung supporter nila. Yung pagbilang nila ng mga records ko. Maraming salamat po.
Parang game lang sila, diba? Ang haba ng pila ng signing ng albums nila, pero still wala. Hyper pa rin sila. Yan.
Ang record breaker events management, sila Miss Nika, hindi ito yung first time na nag-produce sila ng show para po sa akin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong trust, sa inyong tiwala po sa aking talent, sa aming Mr. Martin, at sana po, kumbaga, na-breakthrough naman po kahit pa paano yung expenses, po ninyo dito sa i-producing this show. At sana po nag-enjoy niyo po kayo sa pag-produce ng show na to. Our concert wouldn't be successful without everyone's effort and support. Kaya thank you to the producers who brought what love is sa Iloilo. Without you, this show wouldn't be possible. To all the organizers and all the people who involved the concert, thank you for your hard work to make this successful. To the musicians, backup singers, and dancers, maraming salamat for the excellent performance. And to Sir Martin, this has been a great collaboration. It's an honor to share the stage with you. Thank you. Of course, to my family and supporters, wala na akong masasabi pa kung